Good morning, Lincoln Mustangs. Welcome back. This is Miss Monis with your morning announcements for Monday, December 16th, 2024. As always, hoping to ignite in every Lincoln student the ability to realize and achieve their potential in a diverse global community. I want to start with some belated AR shout outs. The following classrooms completed the AR Gingerbread Challenge either on Thursday or Friday of last week. I'm a little bit behind here. So congratulations to Miss Soa's class, Miss Major's class, Miss Caldwell's class, Miss Coleman's class, and Miss Herlichka's class. They all completed that AR challenge and will get to come out of uniform on Friday. There are only 4 more days. You have to complete the AR challenge by Thursday in order to come out of uniform on Friday. So if you haven't taken an AR quiz yet, what are you waiting for? Fun fact, did you know that there is something for every letter of the alphabet represented in the AR Reading is Sweet bulletin board outside the library? Some letters have several things that represent it, but you only need to find one. For example, an elf told me a hint about the letters J and Z. For Z, most of the gingerbread kids have buttons. 1, 2, 3. But one has something else I think you'll see. And J is easier than you think. Look for something sparkly that is pink. Remember, if you write down all of these things, so on a piece of paper, you would have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way through Z, and then something that matches each letter, I will give you 50 dojo points, which will come in handy for the Winter Carnival. Speaking of which, some grade levels will go to the Winter Carnival tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and some will go on Thursday. So make sure you keep being good. Make sure you try to save your tickets and your points, because some things will cost some tickets and points, and some things will be free. Some things will be kind of cheap. Some things will be a little bit more expensive. So don't waste your points and your tickets yet. All right, I'm going to pull some of the prizes for our 12 days of presents for presents. So I've selected about 5 presents, and we'll keep doing this until the end of the week. And then by Friday, whatever presents are still left, we'll finish them up. So I'm trying to save the best for last, kind of sort of thing. So that way everybody still has a chance to get tickets into those lockers to try to win a prize. So today I'm going to start with 2 hair bows. So remember the hair bows, I think there's 8 of them all together. We had 1 winner last week, and today I'm going to pull 2. And the first person to come to my office gets to pick their color, so on and so forth. So the first winner is Stephanie Humphreys in 7th grade. And the second winner of a hair bow is Mariah Turner in Miss Madden's class. Congratulations. Girls, you may come pick out your hair bow. All right, moving on. We've got these 3. These all go together. They're little squishmallow pillow kind of things. This one's a turtle. And then there's also an avocado, it looks like. So the winner of the Squishmallow pillows is Marley in 8th grade. Marley in 8th grade. You may come on down and retrieve your prize. Next up, we have the hair care kit with all the cheetah print. And the winner of that is Honesty Figures. So Honesty may come on down and retrieve this prize. Also today we have the Baby Moana Princess doll. And the winner of that is Kamila Washington Carter. Kamila Washington Carter, congratulations. We also have this really cool Make It Mix Baker's Kit. And the winner of this is Royalty from Miss Soa's 2nd grade class. Royalty may come on down. All right, we'll do 2 more. We have a couple of these Lego kits. So The first one is going to go to Marie and Miss Benedict's class. Maree, last initial N from Miss Benedict's class. But if this was something you really wanted, we've got more, so keep putting tickets in that locker. And last but not least, today we've got this secret message science lab kit. Write a secret message, see if somebody can decode it. And the winner is Charlie E. from Miss Klusendorf's class. Charlie E. All of these students may come on down and get their prizes. Congratulations. All right, moving on. In the world of athletics, I want to remind you that per Coach Chapman, the boys basketball practices will be Tuesday and Wednesdays. JV practices will be 2:50 to 3:55. Varsity practices will be 3:15 to 4:35. And the boys play Von Steuben on the 18th, which is Wednesday. So that is I'm looking at my list here. That is a home game, and it will start at 3:45. So just a few reminders if you want to come to a home game. Number one, you cannot have had any referrals for 5 school days. So the game is Wednesday. That means from last Wednesday till this Wednesday, 0 major referrals. Number two, you have to pay the entry fee even if you're here with an adult that works here. So like if you're with 21st Century or School Within a School, you still have to pay the entry fee, and you have to be with your adult. So you have to stay with your adult. Rule number 3 is you have to have been at school the day of the game. You can't be absent on Wednesday and then show up at 4 o'clock and want to watch the game. Entry fees are, hold on, let me go back to my list here. Entry fees are $3 unless you are under the age of 5 or over the age of 60. And then if that's the case, the cost is $1. You could buy a coupon from the Mustang Market that allows you 1 free entry into a game, or 1 free concession from the concession stand. That is an available coupon at the Mustang Market. Just saying. All right, on the lunch menu today, we are having jumbo chicken corn dogs, or you could choose a turkey and cheese sandwich, garlic roasted broccoli and cauliflower, sliced cucumbers, chilled mixed fruit, and of course, ice cold milk. I'm going to do kind of a lot with the birthdays just to kind of get ahead of the winter break birthdays. So we'll start with the birthdays we have today. And today we have 3 Mustangs in the building with the birthday. So happy birthday to Brisa Contreras in 4th grade, Marquise Williams in 4th grade, James Woldemorf in 8th grade, and our very own assistant principal, Miss Nevitt. Woohoo! Happy birthday! Feliz cumpleaños! If you see Miss Nevitt, make sure you give her a high five. She loves that. On the first day of winter break, which is Saturday, December 21st, we have Francisco in 8th grade with a birthday, Denver Harper in kindergarten with a birthday. On the 22nd, we have Bruni in 2nd grade, Jasiri Johnson in 4th grade, Jaden Medina Serrano in 7th grade, and Jose Velasquez in 7th grade. And then the last one I'll announce today is for the 23rd of December, which we have Myasia Alexander in 4th grade, Marnay Barnes in 7th grade, and Santiago Uribe in 4th grade. I also owe a belated happy birthday to a 3rd grader from Miss Klusendorf's class. Alea Williams had a birthday last Friday, and I missed it. Sorry, Alea. But Alea and all of these birthday Mustangs may come on down to my office and retrieve their birthday prize. But remember, if you don't have a pass, you can't leave the class. It's also a very important time to not forget to put your name on your paper. The last day of the grading period is this Friday, so make sure you get credit for all the work you've been doing. No name, no grade. And our 7 Mindsets quote of the day is by Laura Ingalls Wilder. Oh, I loved her books, Little House on the Prairie. It was one of my favorites when I was a kid. The quote is, "No one has ever achieved anything from the smallest to the greatest unless the dream was dreamed first." So don't give up on your dreams. This has been Miss Monist with your morning announcements, hoping you have a marvelous Monday. I can't wait to see all these Mustangs coming down to my office with a pass.